Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a trade on the sway charts. It's very simple. I'm going to start a demo account. And so this is sway markets. You go in here and let's go back. All right. You're going to go to accounts. You're going to go right here to demo accounts. Then you're going to click on demo ECN account. Currency, you're going to put USD. You're going to create that account created. You're going to hit deposit. Then you're going to start out with, let's say, 10,000 in a demo account. Hit deposit. And that's it. That's your demo account. Now you're going to go to your sway account. Then all you do is you go to the demo one. You go to live accounts right here, demo account. Okay, and you got a $10,000 account. And now when you want to trade, all you're going to do is you can click any of these are trades. This is to sell on this side, on the left side. This is to buy. This is Apple, Amazon, Bitcoin. And if you want to put a new trade in here, you hit the plus sign right here. And you could add different trades in here. Very simple. And then if you want to look at the chart for it, you're just going to put in whichever one. It's on Apple right now. You could put in, let's say, US 30. Click it. This chart is going to be for US 30. Very, very simple. You could buy and sell right here. Sell is red, buy is green. You're on point one. So let's say we want to take a trade. We want to take a sell for US 30. Very simple. It pops up like here. This is point one. You could switch it, make it less than that by pushing the down arrow, or you could just come in here and put whatever you want. Point 0, let's say 1. That would be to trade a penny at a time per lot. And let's do 10 cents per lot. For every $1,000 you have, you should be trading 0.1. That's what the measurement really is. You can do less. You always want to start out with a penny in the beginning instead of 10 cents because it's just easier to calculate. And it's kind of like being on demo when you're trading for a penny. All right, let's take a trade. It's on sale. All we do is hit the send order in. Now we're in a trade. We see the trade right here. If it's going down, we're going to be winning. It's at 0.10. That means we're winning right now. Now you can click this and kind of look at it and monitor it more. It's losing. You can see it's going up, so it's losing. It's at $2.90 that you're losing right now because it is going up. And see, that's just 0.1 when you're trading, and that's how fast the lots go when the trade is going, right? If it starts going down, then it's going to be winning. Now we could put a stop loss on. So to put a stop loss, when you click on it, you hit right here, and you might want to say, how much do you want to lose? See, if we put the stop loss on right here, 5 pips away, which means we would lose 50 cents. 5 pips plus 10 cents equals 50 cents, right? So we would lose that. We don't want to do that because it would end the trade already. So for a stop loss, when you're trading for it to sell, you got to make the stop loss be a higher amount. So you're going to push plus, and you can see, right, the projected loss, 9 pips would be 90 cents. So we would go right now. This is where it's at 4,438.9. So let's go to 4,4. And let's go to 3. Let's go to 3 8. 4438. And then put 0 because it is 44,356. This is where the trade is. So we're going to go to 44,380 would be our stop loss. That means that we're willing to lose right here $22 if it goes the wrong way. All right. And then take profit. We want to make the same thing. We want to make about, $22. So how do we do that? So now we're going to go the other way and we're going to say we want to get to 320. And so 320 is a little bit more money. It's $37 for 320. So let's go to 330. And 330 is about $27 right here. So we're going to apply. So what does it need to do? Is basically needs to go 272 pips in our direction for us to win that amount of money, $27. If it goes the wrong way, 22 or 228 pips the wrong way, then we're going to lose $22. So let's modify that. Yeah, and that means it's going to automatically get out of the trade at that point. So what do we see now? We're winning. We're up $13 right now. We're up $13. Okay. So how do you, let's say you're about to leave and you want to end this trade. It's $12 profit and you say, hey, that's enough for me. All you do is scroll on here and you exit out of the trade. Boom. You just exit out. Very, very simple. And you're looking at the trade right here if you want to, and you see that it's red, it's kind of going down. And you see your take profits right here, this green line that it made. So we can kind of zoom in and see it's going to get out the trade right here. This is where you got in the trade. And somewhere up here is like where it's going to get out if it goes the wrong way. So it's at $8, $7, right? If it goes down, you're making more. If it goes up, you're gonna make less. And here it is, it turned green on the next one. So let's just see what we want to do here. If we want to get out of the trade, we just hit the X and then we can get back in the trade. X and then close out position. How much do you have right now in profit? It's telling us right here, this is where the profit is. $9 worth of profit. So let's go ahead and get out the trade. Okay, and I won that trade. You see it right here, 10,000 I started out with. I made $10.50. Okay, let's do another trade with US 30. That seemed kind of easy. Let's do a buy trade now. So on the US 30, we're going to find it. Okay, we could either trade it right here because we already got it in our charts. But the easiest way is to get it up here. These are the symbols that we're trading. Okay, so we're going to go to buy right here. And let's do a trade for 1. So that means that every pip it goes up is worth $1. And I want to show you how much this is going to make. Okay, it's going down right now. Let's take the trade right here. See, it's already in $27 negative because it just went down a little bit. And you can see it right here. It's going a little bit red. Let's click on it twice so you can open it up and let's look. All right, for the stop loss, we always want to have a stop loss no matter what. So now we want it to go up. So the stop loss would be lower than where we're at. So we're at 44335. Let's go to 44300. Okay, and we lose $430 if we lose this trade. Let's go to the take profit, and we want to do the same thing. We want to make about the same amount. So let's try 70. 44370. That would be $275 we would make. Let's go to 80. And that would be 375 we would make. So let's go to 90 because we want it to be the same or a little bit more for the take profit. So we're gonna lose 430. We'll win 475. Let's modify that. Okay, when you hit modify, it sets it up. So now we have the take profit. If it goes up to 475, we'll win it. If it goes down to 430, we're gonna lose. And so now it's at what? It's at negative $37. We see that right here. Okay, how do you get out of the trade? You can hit this X right here, and then it'll pull up this right here, and then you can close at any time you want to. Right now it's at negative $67. And we see there's like a support right here. So we're just waiting. Let's wait this trade out a little bit. It's 6:13 in the morning. We're gonna wait for this for about 5 minutes, and then I'll be right back. And basically I could leave. I'm gonna go get some water and come right back, and you guys check this out. And I'll make a video about this. Very easy to make a trade. Nice, nice. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So now it's at 178 negative, and it's 618. Let's just keep this going. Let's go back and see what was it take profit and stop loss. It was at 430 or 475. We'll probably have to stay in this until the market opens. Well, let's make another trade. I want to show you guys again how to make a trade. Let's go to make a trade. We're usually always doing US 30. Let's do another trade with Apple. So Apple, can we make a trade right now with Apple? Let's see. No, we can't. Why can't we make a trade with Apple? Because, yep, Lakanna's right. Apple's not open. So we can't make this trade until 6:30 when the market opens. Or we can make it right before it closes the day before, and then it will be, already on. And we'll have to pay a little bit of money for overnight trading. So let's just not worry about that. Let's go to Bitcoin. Okay, and Bitcoin's at 98,000. Let's go ahead and buy it. It's been going up since last night. Bitcoin moves different, so the lots are gonna move way faster with Bitcoin. So we're gonna keep this at 0.1. We don't need to go to 1 because it's gonna move really fast. So let's get in this trade. And before you get in the trade, you could also do a protective order right here and make your stop losses. Let's go to, we're gonna buy. So let's go to, let's put 800, and then we'll do 498, 400. That's only $15, so that's gonna go really fast. But it's okay. And then we'll take the profit it's at 600 basically, so let's go to 700. And send them over. Now we got 2 trades. Now we got to manage these trades, so we got to be careful. But we got stop losses and take profit on both, so we don't really have to worry that much. So here we go. We're gonna let this stuff kind of play out in the background while we're doing other things, and we're not gonna worry about the trade because we set it up. So you don't have to keep on looking. I feel like if you just look at the trade the whole time, it kind of gives you some anxiety. So let's go to the market, and then we'll go back here, and I'm gonna cut this video up. So we have a video that teaches us how to make a trade. How to make a trade. This is very simple. Remember, we started out at Sway Markets. We created a demo account. I can help you guys set that up. And then we're at the way that we trade is go to Sway Charts. So we signed into Sway Charts, and then we just make a trade right here, sell or buy. And we have this set up. We can put a plus. We can go to charts. We can go to all this different things. All right. If you want to put a new trade in that you want, let's say we want, we already got USDJPY. Let's say we want, what trade do we want? Naveed? Navita. Nope, they don't have that. Let's see. Let's go to, might have put the wrong thing in, she's saying. Let's go to Ethereum. So Ethereum USD. Okay, we won the Bitcoin trade. Their Bitcoin trade is over. Here we go right here. Ethereum USD is right here. And then we just make a trade on it. So we just won a trade. So how do we know if we won or lost? So we're going to go to our trade journal right here. And this tells us the trades that we won or lost. And Bitcoin right here, we bought it and it's sold. And then this is the profit right here. So if the profit is in negative, then we lost the trade. If it's in positive like this, we won. So we won $14 and it closed out the trade for us. We bought it. The system closed it out because we did that take profit and that trade's done. Okay, that's our trading journal right here. This is our trading dashboard. It shows us like what's going on real easy. This is our technical analysis on the different charts that we could have. Real simple. Here goes my trading account. So we're still in US 30. Remember, we did a big trade because we're doing one lot size, so it's moving really fast. It's at negative 157, but it could turn and win at $475. Or if it loses $430, it will close out. And this is demo. And this is how you want to learn to trade through demo. And then we'll go back to this in 1 second. Let's take another trade. Let's take another fun trade. Okay, let's take Bitcoin again. Let's take Bitcoin. We want to buy Bitcoin one more time. And this time we're not gonna put any stop loss or take profit. We just got the trade. Now, this is stop loss and take profit. You can see that there's nothing. So we'll have to close out this trade in a second. And that's very, very simple to do. I see these are the different trades we're taking right here. When we see a trade hit, you guys are going to see how fast this moves. Okay, so it just went the wrong way for the US 30. Let's get back in US 30. See how it went down really fast? Let's buy US 30. We're on demo account, so we want to buy US 30. And this time we're not going to be to where it just goes and gets out of the trade really fast. So it went down first in the opening bell. And now it looks like it's going back up. Here it is right here. Let's look at it from trading view perspective. And this is the US 30 right here. The bot told us to buy right here on 15 minutes. So it's funny how our same green line that we had yesterday is the same place it is at right now on opening bell as it was yesterday when we had a buy yesterday. So let's go look back what happened yesterday. So it was right here. We said to buy, it shot up, shot back down, shot back up. And then we said to sell for the whole day. And we see that we would have won a lot of money. It was down for the whole day yesterday, and then it just shot back up in the morning when that report came out. So now we're buying US 30. The bot told us to buy. I was telling us to buy, and you see it going way up. Let's look at what that looks like in our trading account now. Now we're up 159. 200 now. Let's get out of this trade. Everybody out, out, out. So we won about $229 on that trade. Now what we want to do is we see that this is the top right here. We're going to go ahead and take US 30 going back down. So get in US 30 for a sale. Let's go look at this perspective right here. We see right here that there's a jam up. And so we want this to go back down. And what am I saying? I'm saying that there's a resistance like right here. If you look right here, there's like a resistance. It hits right here 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. This is the 4th time it's going to hit right here. and it's been going down since that area. That's why I took the trade going down. We see right now it's going down after hitting that red line. So let's look. We're up $61, right? So I'm out. I'm out of this trade right here at 100. Ooh, it was 100 and something. Started moving back up. All right. So now what should we do? Well, if it goes back up to this red line, we want to take the trade going down, and we see it falling down. If it goes to this green line, we want to take it going up. So this is what I call like a cat on a string. This is the support down here to go up. This is the resistance down here to go down. So if it gets back to this red line, whichever line it goes to first, is green line or the red line. If it goes to the green line, we're going to go for a buy. If it goes to this red line, we're going to go for a sell. We can't do this too many times. We're going to have to stop in a couple minutes, but it's still good right now. We want to go down a little bit further. We could have had more money on the last trade. The first trade we had going up, we made about 200 and something dollars. This trade right here going down, we made about 100. We got out really fast, and that's okay. We would probably be at like $400 right now if we would have stayed in going down, but it's okay. You don't have to worry about that because it can go the wrong way. Here it goes. It's going down more, and we're about to take the trade right when it goes down underneath this green. All right, there we go right there. So we want to take a buy on the US 30. All right, and let's see. Let's go back to the trade, and here it is. It's on this green line. It might go down a little bit further. Let's see what happens here. We're in it to buy. Here it is, going up in profit. We want to go higher, higher. I mean, it's funny, it's doing the same thing kind of that it did yesterday. Okay, here it is going higher, higher, higher. That's what we predicted it to do. We're at $200 profit. We're out of here. That's it. $200. That's enough. 221. We just won 221. We're out of that trade right here. That's it. So since this morning, just making these trades on the first three trades we made $600. Now, is that enough to just stop trading today? I would say so. I mean, how much do you want to make? We're on a war day. How much do you really want to make? We're still in that Bitcoin trade right here. This is up $8, but how much do we really want to make today? I mean, we could do it again. We could wait for it to hit the red and then go back down, but we could have just stayed in this green going up a little bit more and made even more money. But I'm being very conservative. I'm only taking, $200 per trade, three trades in a row we won, and we're done trading at $600. Now, how much do you want to make a day? I don't know how much you want to make a day, right? Everybody's different. I got a friend named Marty Hell, my mentor. He's a billionaire. I don't know how much he would want to make this morning, right? But me, I'm good with $600. And how much time have we been trading? We've been trading for 5 minutes. It's 6:36 right now. Like, like $600 in 5 minutes, and I just showed you guys live on the account. I don't know what else we should do. But if you want to trade more, we could trade more. But that's what reality is. Reality is what we just seen. Now, how much do you need in an account to trade for one lot of trade? You probably need about $10,000 in your account to trade one lot. If you have $1,000 in your account, you're trading for 0.1 lot. And instead of making $600, if we were trading for just 0.1 lot instead of one lot, you would have made $60 already, right? So you tell me, how much you want to trade for. But even if you had $1,000 and you were trading one lot, think about it. You would have made $600 in 5 minutes off of $1,000. Is that real reasonable to do? No, I could tell you right now that you try that to do that a couple times with $1,000 in your account, it might go the wrong way. You might lose your money. Now with stop loss and take profit, we don't have to lose all our money, right? But this thing is moving really fast. And if you're trading by yourself and not knowing, see now, if you would have just got in this trade according to the bot, it told us to buy right here. Okay. If we would have got in when the bot told us to buy, it went way up here. We would have made so much money. I'll tell you how much you would have made just off of this trade right here, just off the bot telling us what to do. You would have made $787 if you were doing one pip just off of one trade, right? I made 3 trades and made 300 one trade, 100 another one, and 200 on the last trade. And that's how I made $600. But if you would just listen to the bot and got out up here, and you could have known to get out because you seen that everything stopped right here and it started stopping, then you would have made $800 in the morning off the first minute of this trade, and you would have been done trading. That's how simple trading is. And I'm making this video to show you, how to make the trade, because some people are saying, well, how do I make the trade? How do I make the trade? Very simple. Here it is right here. Bitcoin is up right now. Okay, we're done with Bitcoin, right? We're at a 0.1, we're at 10 cents a pip on Bitcoin and we're up $20. We're done. Why do anything more? It doesn't make sense. So, okay, let's make a trade again. Here's sway charts. Okay, let's make an Apple trade. Let's see where Apple is. And Apple just opened up. We couldn't make a trade before. So Apple, we wanted to buy Apple, right? And we see that it's up, up, up and away. It's up again. Right now, it's outside of the Bollinger Bands. So I'm going to take, it's on a 100% uptrend. We do not want to go down on this because it's a 100% uptrend. So I was just going to take it down just to show you how to get this pullback. But right here, you see how far Amazon was, and it had to push its way back into the Bollinger Band. So if we would have got into Amazon earlier, we could have got money from this coming back down right here. Why? Because it's an 100% downtrend, and then it just popped up out of nowhere up here, and now it had to pull back in. So we would have definitely took this trade right here on Amazon. We could still take an Amazon trade going down. It's trying to get back to where it was. So let's do Amazon. I want to show you how to trade a stock. So sell Amazon. This is the sell side. And we're going to take a sell. And right now it's up a little bit in profit. Let's go to it. This is profit or non-profit. Okay. So we sold. It's up. And we're on 10 cents a pip. And you see how stocks are going to move a little slower than why? Because stocks are like worth $200, and every penny it goes one way or the other determines a penny on here, basically, right? With US 30, it's worth $44,000, so it moves faster. And Bitcoin is worth $95,000, so it moves really fast. So we're in Amazon right now. Let's just stay there. Let's go back to a trade that's going to move a little faster. And let's do US 30 one more time. That's why I love US 30. All right, so US 30 is right there again, where the getting's good for it to go up. Now let's take this up one more time. Let's take US 30 up one more time. All right. So we got US 30 going up one more time. Let's look at it. And sometimes you can get stuck in here because it might not go back up. It might keep on going down right here. Right? Because it was going down. Like here, we had predicted yesterday that it was going to go down for the whole day. So we see right here is where it crossed over and started going down, and it was going down for the whole day. Now, Lakana was trading US 30 in the middle of the day, and she wasn't making any money, and it wasn't even moving. Like, we left the house for 6 hours. She took a trade at like 12 o'clock. We came back at 6 p.m., and it didn't do anything but like $2 or $3 because it's not really moving if you look at it, throughout the day. So if you catch it in the morning, the time we trade, there's big movements and volatility. But later on in the day, it doesn't even do anything, right? So this is where we're at right now. It still has high volatility. The war is going on, so we got to be careful when we're trading when the war is going on. Have to be really careful. But we took this one going up one more time. And let's look at what our trade looks like here. We're up $80, up 100. I'm done. I'm done. $130. I'm done. That's it. I'm good. You know what I'm saying? We made $700 today and we're out. That's how you trade. You know, oh man, you should have waited, Lonnie, to go up more. Okay, I could have, but I don't care. I just wanted $700. Don't be the kind of person that gets out of a trade with profit and say, "Oh, I should have stayed longer." Because you're going to be the same person that tells yourself you should have got out when it goes the wrong way. So don't manipulate your mind like that. Just say, "Hey, I made $100. I'm happy. I made $100 in 10 seconds. Like, what else do I want to do with my life?" There's people that work, you know, let's go over what I just did. $700 I made, and it's 643, and I started trading at 630. In 13 minutes, I made $700. Well, you could have made more money on each trade. I sure could have. I could have waited for it to go up here to the red line. I could have took the trade at the green line, waited for it to go to red. I could have took the trade going down like I did on the red line and waited for it to hit the green line. Each time it did that, right? And I could have had more than $700. I could have been at probably $4,000 right now. I could have made $4,000 right now. But I also could have lost $4,000. See? So sometimes you're going to win, sometimes you're going to lose. You take your small advantages because then you'll take a small loss. You take your small wins because you're going to take small losses. So what did we learn today? In 13 minutes, and I wasn't even super focused, was I? In 6 minutes, we won what? $600. Then we started talking about all this other stuff. And then I took one more trade at the 12-minute mark for one more minute, and I made $700. So we made $700 total today in only 13 minutes of trading on a war day, on a day that the war is. Come on. So if you don't think you can hop on here with me and just listen to what I'm saying and make money, I just showed you guys. It's one thing for me to be telling you guys, oh, we made this amount and we made that amount by doing the ruler, because I know what I would have made if I would have took that trade, or I might be taking the trade on my phone and just telling you guys, you know, we won, we won, we won. That's what we've been doing day after day. So today I showed you on live, I showed you guys wins. US 30, I just took the trade. We just seen it. Now look, let's go to the trade journal. What happened here? We lost one trade before the market opened. Look, I took this trade at 611. This is the only trade we lost. This is a trade that I was showing you guys how to make a trade. I just picked anything. I didn't even look at the market yet. I was just showing people how to make a trade. This one right here, it hit our stop loss. But everything else is real trades. Everything else amounted to that $700. Look, a win right here, 141. A win right here, 261. A win right here, 231. That's how you get to the $700. Then we have right here, $15 win, $21 won. That's how $700 is. This trade was a trade we put in just to show you guys on a video. Like, I'm going to slice up the video and I'm going to show you how to make a trade. This is the only trade that lost, and this is a trade, look, that happened at 611. Everything that happened at 6:30 when the opening bell happened is winners. Look, it's right here, 6:30 and beyond. We won every single trade. 231, $21, $15, 261, 141. That was the last trade we just took. So we made over $700 today on our trading journal. And the only trade we lost is just the practice trade that I was showing you guys how to make a trade. So here we are right now. We're on Amazon, and we got Amazon going down. Let's look at Amazon again. Why did we get Amazon going down? Because it hit it hit this pullback right here. And I wish we would have got in way higher. But it's right here. And it hit the Bollinger Band again. It was in a downtrend. And it rose up really quick. And let's see if it goes back down. Yesterday, we said to buy Amazon. It went way up. Then the middle of the day, it started going down before the end of it. And what did it do today? It went way up. If we would have took this trade earlier, we would have said to take it going up. But we took it down because it's outside the Bollinger Band. So that's why we're saying it's going to go down. Let's look at some of our trades that we always take. We had Apple going up yesterday. Look what happened. It even went up higher today. Tesla was shooting up like a rocket. Today it's really not doing anything. Let's see. Walmart is okay. Bitcoin is going up like crazy. It's going back up to 100,000. Let's look at our other cryptos. ADA. ADA has been going back up. That's Cardano. That was the one that I'm telling everybody to get. Look at Solano. Solano's going back up. Look at how many buys we got from the bot. Buy, 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 buy. And it's just been going up. You guys could trade Solano too. Shiba Inu is going up. 100% uptrend. That's a beautiful sign. So everywhere we're looking, it's doing what we want it to do. Now, how many times should we take a trade? We're done. We're done taking US 30 trades. See, some people, they always, when I'm trading, they'll just keep on doing the same thing. No, it's done. That's why I'm not trading right now. You don't think I would want to get another trade to win? It's done. You've seen that it crashed through the green right here. It crashed again right here. And now it's going down. It's not good to take back up. The best trade you could do a US 30, if it goes back up to this red line, to take it going down. It definitely wants to go down. You can see it's wanting to go down. So we're done with trading US 30 unless you take it down. All right. Should you take the trade going down right now? No, because it's in the middle. This might pop back up really fast and go back up to this red line. So don't even, this is definitely in the middle territory. You're done trading. Don't trade that anymore. Let's look at gold. Gold is really high right now. It's in an uptrend. You can get gold, like if it hits this orange line or if it hits the blue line to go up, you want to take gold going up. Avoid odd. NAS 100 just shot up. It's way outside the Bollinger Bands. This is not a safe trade. We could take it going back down, but it's been outside the Bollinger Band for it's been outside the Bollinger Band for an hour and almost a half. So it was a dead trade right here, right? Because the market was off. But ever since the CPI report came out, the interest rate has been shooting up. So just avoid that one. Bitcoin's going back up to $100,000. The bot told us this. We could have took this right here. At $98,000, the bot told us it was going up. We could have just took that trade. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to look at this arrow and the bot telling us what to do and just listen. Let's see if we had any trades on like the 5 minutes. The bot told us to take Bitcoin going up right here, and it went up. The bot told us right here, go up. So the bot's been telling us, he told us to buy right here. They told us to buy at 97,000. Now it's at 99. So that's 3 trades the bot won in a row on Bitcoin on 5 minutes. The SPX 500 is going up right here. Yeah, just another good day. The bot's winning a lot. I put money on the bot where I don't even have to really trade. The bot's trading for me. I love the bot. And here it is. Here goes US 30 on 5 minutes. See, it broke that line and it's still going down. That's why the getting was good, right? We won going down. We won going up. And now it's a done trade. If you're still in that trade, it's like, man, I'm sorry. You try to get it one more time. because we were done. We were done with this trade. Look where it is right now. It might pop back up because it hit this blue line in the middle, but we were done. So I'm glad. I'm glad that it did that. So now you guys can see that if you would have got in the trade one more time, because a lot of people will say, well, you could have did it one more time. No, it wasn't. It wasn't the same thing. Why? Because it kept on going down lower. It went right here, and then it went right here on the next one, and then that's it. You know that it wants to break through when it keeps on going lower, lower, lower. So we're done. And then you can see up here, this is going down each time. It keeps on going up a little bit lower, and then it did pop up one more time, but now it's low, low, low. We can get in another trade, but it's just not the same trade that it was before. All right, here we go right here. This is the Amazon, and now it's in profit. And so let's just get out of this in profit. It's at like we're winning 6 or 3 cents. But you see that it's coming down. We got it going down. We see it's going down, but it's popping back up, down, up, down, up. So we're at 18 cents, and you guys are saying, well, you just made $700. Why are you even worried about this trade? Well, I was just going to wait for it to be in profit. That's just how my mind works sometimes. It might be for a penny, it might be for a quarter, but I could wait it out because it's not that much that I'm in to win or lose on this. But I just wanted to be in the green. That's all. So I could wait this out a little bit. And then we could have, questions and everything. But I'm gonna make this video so everybody knows how to make a trade. Very simple. I broke it down real simple for you guys. Let's do one more trade before we're out. Okay. Let's go to, we already did a stock. We did crypto. We did US index US 30. Let's look at NAS 100. Let's take a buy. We see it falling down right here really fast. So we're going to go ahead and take a buy. All right. Here it is. It's in profit. It started going the right way as soon as we took the trade. Let's see. And so the way to get out the trade is look at it up here. You go to this X, you click on here, or you could right click, but I'm doing just like for Apple or for the regular computer. Hit the X. It's in profit. It's at $2. We're going to close the trade. Boom. That's it. We won. Won another trade. Was that easy, you guys? Very, very simple to trade on this system. Now we can look at our trade journal and say, did we really win? Let's look. All right. We took this trade right here at 135. So we took the trade at 654 and we closed the trade at 654. So we were in that trade for like a couple seconds and we won 135. How do we know we won? Is because it doesn't have a negative symbol next to it. So these are all wins. Everything's a win. All right. Look at the trading journal and let's go correct. We took so many trades, but it shows us how many hours we were trading, how many hours we've been losing, how many we've been winning, what's our risk ratio. Like this stuff right here is for dedicated traders that really want to, have their strategy manipulated by a computer system and looked at to make sure they're doing the right thing. So we took a real simple trade once again, and we're still in the Amazon trade. Let's look at Amazon one more.